Dare I say, you know what, I'm gonna say it, this is definitely my favorite MagSafe accessory that I've tried so far. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome tech videos about things like smartwatches, phones, tech accessories, computers, and just really so much more. So anyway guys, in this video we're going to be unboxing something that I've wanted for a while now, a MagSafe wireless magnetic charging stand for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yes, right here we've got Belkin's edition of this, the Belkin Boost Charge Pro 2-in-1 wireless charger stand with MagSafe. And now what is super duper cool about this stand is you can literally just put your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max onto it and it just connects magnetically because it has MagSafe, and it just starts wirelessly charging, which I just think is awesome. And yeah, you can't really put a price on that, but yes, you actually can. This bad boy right here, it's definitely a bit expensive. It'll set you back about $100. So now we can just go ahead and pop this right open over here. And one thing you will note on the front of the box right here, it says made for MagSafe, which is very great. And it also says 15-watt wireless charging. So that is the faster version for iPhones right there. And yeah, wow, that was easy. Here is the actual stand. And what else does it come with? This little thing. We've got some paperwork right here. We've got the little cable for plugging this guy in, and we've got some more paperwork. The box is nice and empty right there now. We can toss this to the side. It makes a note right here, you shouldn't put an Apple Watch or a pair of keys or coins on this little wireless charging pad right here. So that is good to know. So we can start actually by plugging this cable into the bottom right here, just like that. And here we go. We can just plug this right in. So let's take my phone and let's just plop it on just like that. And look, you get the little MagSafe and the wireless charging indication, and voila, now it is standing and charging. So I really think this MagSafe wireless charging stand is super duper cool, and dare I say, you know what, I'm gonna say it, this is definitely my favorite MagSafe accessory that I've tried so far. Another thing I've noticed too is that the magnets on this stand are very strong. So right now I'm just grabbing the phone, I'm not touching the stand at all, but as you can see, they sort of stay together. Now I wouldn't recommend doing that because obviously the stand could just fall off and, you know, maybe break, but that just shows how strong MagSafe magnets are. Another thing too, you can actually rotate your phone on this stand if you want to view it horizontally like this instead of vertically. So if you want to watch like a YouTube video or something like that on this stand, you can do that. The little wireless charging pad on the bottom that you're supposed to use to charge up your AirPods, I've noticed you can just place the phone down there on that, and it also wirelessly charges. Now, I probably won't be doing that because it's not really meant for that, because as you can see, it's kind of like sort of like a hole, you know, it sort of like goes down. It's not like a flat wireless charger. So yeah, I'd rather use the stand. That's obviously what I paid all this money for. Now, another thing too that is super cool about putting your iPhone on a stand like this is that the iPhone is at the perfect angle here for Face ID, and you don't really even have to think about it. Your phone can literally be on the stand and look at your face when you just have it sitting on your desk right here, and you're also sitting at your desk, and boom, unlocked. So watch, guys, check this out. So now I'm looking at my phone, and boom, just like that, unlocked it with Face ID. And another thing too now, if we grab my phone off this stand, I actually have Apple's clear MagSafe case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I can just put my iPhone into this, because as you guys know, if you have a MagSafe case, that will also enable you to continue using MagSafe accessories on top of that, even with the case on. So we can just put that on and boom, still works just fine. So yeah, guys, I mean, I think MagSafe in general is very cool, but this stand in particular, I think is just super awesome. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome tech videos just like this one. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing.